Hello! In this video series, you will get an overview of the teacher role on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform and how it supports design and engineering teaching methods. We will go through how to set up curriculums, create classes, and build assignments that connect directly to SOLIDWORKS CAD and xApps. I will also show you how to clean up the environment once the semester wraps up. You will see both sides of the experience, from teaching perspective and from student perspective. From teaching perspective, feedback and interaction are with key importance. So we will look how to give feedback to student submissions and also how to keep the discussions lively with the class communities. By the end, you will have a clear overview of how to manage entire course on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, from setup to closing the class, all in one connected environment. So let's get started and see how easy it is to build your first curriculum on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform and how the natural flow should look like.